Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So now we can fold this box. Just this one top part, this divider, and this bottom part. Okay. So first start bottom. Now first you can fold this inside. This all crease you can fold inside. Okay. And last one, this one you make opposite. Okay. And now this two part inside. Okay. Same other side, just fold, then again fold, and this last one just opposite fold. Okay. And this two part inside. Okay. And now as you can check, this lock upside, this lock upside, and now this one two part fold inside. Okay. And now just you can fold inside, and this same type you can close. And now see this one lock, this lock area, this go inside, and this edge to edge touching, it's been lock. Okay. Again this one same inside, and you can see this edge to edge touching, it's been lock. Okay. So now we can fold divider. Divider have one crease, perforation, crease part come upside and perforation downside, same this type. Okay. Again second, same this type, and now this third you can fold this crease upside and perforation downside. So now this divider we fix inside the box. See, this finished. Now we can fold this top part. Now I keep this one side, and now we can fold this top part. First you can fold this one, then all crease you can fold inside, and this last one you can just fold outside. Okay. And two this corners, one this one inside and one this inside, and same other side you can fold. 1 2 3 you can fold opposite. Okay. And this corners inside. Another side just you can fold, second fold, and third one fold opposite. Okay. Same here, you can fold, second fold, and third one you can fold opposite. Now yes, you can take this part inside, this also inside, and this two part you can catch here, and this part you can fold easily inside. And then after this big part you can keep upside, and small part downside, it means this lock. And same this side also, big part upside and small part downside. And other side same, this one you can catch these two corner and fold this inside, and this part, big part you keep upside and small part downside, same other side. Okay. How this finish. Now we can close this box. And now we keep in the handle. We have this part, handle back. Just you can open this one, keep this one down, and this part just you can push down and keep in the box inside. Okay. Now this will finish.